For the people, by the people, the biggest kitchen in Africa, designed and built by Sheffield, Africa, with a capacity of 100,000 meals a day. This is an industrial kitchen designed to meet the huge requirement of feeding school-going children in public schools in Kenya in the most hygienic way possible. The kitchen adopts a cooking medium of steam generation through the use of briquettes that serve as fuel for the two 2-ton steam generators that have inbuilt economizers as well as built-in safety systems. The use of briquettes saves money as it costs 1 shilling per meal. This is the total homegrown design that is easy and simple to operate, from storage to cooking to the logistics of food distribution. Every week, 150 tons of grains are pneumatically pumped into the silos and 30 tons of grains are transported from the silos to the cooking vessels. The cooking area has 16 stainless steel vessels, each of 800 liters capacity, that are steam heated for the cooking of rice in less than 45 minutes. The cooking area also has 10 jacketed steam heated vessels mounted on a mezzanine deck, each of 2,000 liters capacity, for the cooking of dengu, beans, and githeri within an hour. For the loading of the grains onto the mezzanine deck, they are first weighed and then loaded onto a goods lift before being emptied into the cooking vessels. On completion of cooking, decanting is through the bottom of the vessels onto 50-liter containers that are mounted on a scissor lift. Next to the rice cookers are 4 insulated gas-heated bread pans of 8,000 liters capacity for the cooking of mchuzi curry to be added to the beans curry. The prep area is fully mechanized, from the washing of leaf and root vegetables to chopping and dicing. The machines make it easy and hygienic to process the vegetables. The facility is equipped with a temperature-controlled holding room, a cold room for the raw materials, and a hot insulated holding room for the cooked food. Whether it is personal hygiene or food hygiene, whether it is the volume of food produced or the safety aspects or the space planning, it is in such a way that the ergonomics are simple and spacious.